Welcome to SlowTalk English, the podcast that helps you learn English through calm, clear, and meaningful listening. Today, we embark on a journey into a topic that has captivated humanity for centuries: Unidentified Anomalous Phenomena, or UAPs. Recent developments within official circles demand a rigorous examination. We are not here to sensationalize, but to explore, with the clarity and intention that define SlowTalk English, what the latest information suggests about these enigmatic occurrences. Our discussion today is anchored by the remarkable claims made by David Grush, a former intelligence officer. His allegations, made under oath to Congress, suggest a clandestine program involving the retrieval and reverse engineering of craft of non-human origin. These claims have been deemed credible and urgent by the Intelligence Community Inspector General, and significantly corroborated by other figures with high security clearances. This is not mere speculation. It is a narrative emerging from within the very institutions tasked with understanding our world. The significance of these corroborations cannot be overstated. They lend a weight to Grush's testimony that transcends typical whistleblower accounts, pushing the conversation from fringe theory into legitimate inquiry. The implications of these claims are profound. If true, they challenge our fundamental understanding of reality, our technological capabilities, and our place within the cosmos. Imagine a technology so advanced it defies our current understanding of physics, capable of maneuvers that seem impossible: instantaneous acceleration, abrupt changes in direction, or disappearing at will. What does this imply about the limits of our own scientific knowledge? Furthermore, the very notion of non-human intelligence appearing in proposed legislation is a subtle yet significant shift in official discourse. It opens the door to possibilities beyond the conventional extraterrestrial hypothesis, suggesting that the origins of these phenomena might be far more complex, perhaps even closer to home than we imagine. This brings us to a fascinating, albeit controversial, concept: the ultraterrestrial hypothesis. This idea posits that these non-human intelligences may not be visitors from distant galaxies, but rather entities that have coexisted with us on Earth, perhaps in hidden dimensions, secluded environments, or even as forms of consciousness that interact with our reality. It's a notion that pushes the boundaries of scientific thought, challenging our anthropocentric view of intelligence and existence. Yet it gains traction when confronted with the truly anomalous nature of some UAP observations, phenomena that defy conventional physics. These are not merely advanced aircraft. They suggest a fundamental difference in how these phenomena operate within our reality. Exploring the ultraterrestrial hypothesis requires us to embrace intellectual humility and a willingness to consider possibilities that challenge our preconceived notions. It's about expanding our capacity to think, to connect, and to understand the world from diverse perspectives. It compels us to reevaluate our scientific paradigms and to remain open to data that might not fit neatly into existing frameworks. The pursuit of knowledge, after all, is not about confirming what we already believe, but about discovering what we do not yet know. It's about the courage to ask, "What if?" even when the answers seem to defy logic or comfort. Whether these phenomena are terrestrial, extraterrestrial, or ultra-terrestrial, the ongoing investigation into UAPs represents a unique scientific opportunity. It compels us to ask deeper questions about intelligence, consciousness, and the very fabric of our reality. As we continue to gather data and engage in open, rigorous inquiry with a commitment to scientific integrity and intellectual honesty, we move closer to unraveling one of humanity's most enduring mysteries. The journey promises to be as enlightening as the destination, regardless of what truths we ultimately uncover. Thanks for listening. That was today's episode of SlowTalk English. Subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. And remember, keep listening, keep growing.